Alright, let's look at novosibirsk here. It's very similar to one of the previous format string levels that we did. Hopefully you did take time out and went and read some format string papers on how to exploit format string violence. If not, here's another chance for you. Go back and there's tons of papers on format string, exploiting format string violence. Go ahead, look at the most important strings. We did discuss a few last time: %x, %u, %n, %c. So really only one of those format strings is super useful here. I don't want to tell you which one, because then it'll really mean there's nothing much left in this level. So go figure out how that format string works. Let's quickly take a look at how this program is structured, and I'll just give you a couple of other tips if you haven't figured that out already. So if you say C, you first of all notice it says enter your username below to authenticate. So you click wait to go back and look at the code here, and the first thing you look at this main, there's no login. All of the code is like straight inside main, and you see conditional unlock door again. There's no unlock door. If you scroll up and down, you won't find unlock door. At this point of time, since you've got this far, conditional unlock door by default, it's just not going to work. I mean, if you can somehow find a way around it and get it to work the normal flow, conditional unlock door, test R15, and get to the access granted point, if you can actually do that, I mean, great. You've probably found a bug inside the emulator itself or something, but 99% it's really not going to work. But anyway, so we have the puts message here, the printf message here. Garrison again prompts you, and you have a string copy. Remember, you had a string copy level previously, and the purpose of string copy inside exploitation. I mean, how does your payload really need to be when you have a string copy inside? What characters should it have? Should it not have? All those principles are valid again. And then you have the printf, which is really the format string itself in the first place. So let's put in some kind of input and see what happens here. So you put in that, and you say C. I have a breakpoint set immediately after the printf, and you see that it does go into memory at this point of time, and it did try and do something. Let's actually run it with a format string, right? So you do that, and you can do something like that, but that does work because you need to convert into hex into it. So that's how you kind of need to do it. I mean, you need to put in a format string there with it's a specific format string. Not just any format string is going to work. Once you do that, you'll be pretty close to solving the problem. The only other thing that I would advise you to take a look at this point is go read the log manual again and focus on the INT section, the various INTs that microcorruption allows you to kind of call. Each of them has a really useful purpose. See if you can kind of trigger, kind of call them on your own, something of that sort, or maybe use something that's already there in the program. But I would do that. So mainly for this level, focus on one specific format string inside printf and look at the INT section and look at basic format string tutorials. What can you do with a format string? Well, have all those three down. I think you should have more than enough to kind of solve this level. All the best. Good luck. Bye.